Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will be talking how to read data from your Facebook page insights to see how your Facebook Lives perform. And I will be looking at my client's page with her permission. I will show you how you can read data and interpret it. And it will be especially beneficial for you if you run your Facebook lives on a regular basis but not consistently. So we will look at period of in June and July when it's summer holidays. There were Facebook lives, but they were at different times, different lengths with different call to action. And we will see whether call to action has any impact, whether it had clicks to the links, and so on. And I will show you how you can do it yourself. And you need to do it on a weekly basis in order to be able to produce better results with your future live streams. And let me introduce myself. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Inga Deksne, and I help small business owners to get results, attract new customers through their social media presence, create impact in other people's lives, and most importantly, enjoying running your business. So let's dive in. This is Kai Graham's page, and Kai helps parents with their teenagers to have harmonious relationship with your kids, help to navigate uneasy times of being a teen, and how to support your teenagers during school exams or any other issues, bullying, anxiety, you name it. So if you have a teen or you know somebody who maybe have some difficult time communicating with their teenagers, Kai is your person. So we are looking at Facebook page, and Kai does a lot of Facebook lives. So we need to click on Insights, and we need to scroll down to where it says your most recent posts, and we click See All Posts, and we are looking at icons that show you that it's a video view. And I was using Excel spreadsheet, but you can create table in Word document, or even you can write down. But you need to choose the criteria you want to look at. In this particular case study, I looked at topics, date when it happened, time, so morning or afternoon. So peak live viewers, it means how many people were watching, maximum amount of people in one go who were watching your live. It can be more than 8 people. It were more, yeah, right? So it was more. So we look then at 3-second views and 10-second views. So 10-second views indicates that those people viewed at least 10 seconds or more, meaning that they may have watched even till the end. And you need to remember with Facebook Lives, people join your live stream at different times. Rarely when somebody watches from beginning till the end, unless they watch it on replay, and it can happen. And also reactions, so how engaged your audience was during your Facebook Lives or during the replay. And we didn't use any ads at that point. That's why I don't take into consideration paid reach. So why it's important to look at the reach, so you can see how many people were shown your live and how many looked at it. If we look at this first line, so 719 were reached, and more than 50% watch. So it's a good ratio in terms of Facebook algorithm. And also reach can be determined by time of the day when you did your live stream. So you need to understand that people can watch your live stream if they seen that you are doing live, and then the second decision they make based on the topic you are talking. So that's why this one, we will see how many people were reached and how many were, viewing. Some of the live streams contained links, so that's why I was looking in particular whether link clicks to the links happened, and also I looked at the duration of your live stream. I tend to do long live streams, like 37 minutes, but you can see 5 minutes, 5 minute live stream reached enough people, and it had most amount of clicks to the link. So always ask yourself, what is it that you want to achieve with your live stream? And here the reach was the most, so it's over 1,000 people reached it, and it was also because this topic was this live stream was shared a lot. And you can see, like, we need to talk type of title. It was appealing to Kai's audience, and more direct invitation to watch the live stream seems work quite well. And then when we look at the topics like parenting through summer, which had most engagement, it means that this topic was very important for parents. And also this was the longest one, because the interaction happened. So it's not that Kai did a monologue of her thoughts and wisdom. It was pure due to interaction. And based on this, the recommendation was to try to do a 10-minute, 5 to 10 minute long live stream, just to give some tips, give call to action, and see how it impacts the clicks to the link. I hope this was useful for you. If you have any questions, please send me a message or post in the comments. And if you want to learn more how you can use live streams for your business, I have a 30-day online course. You're welcome to check it out. I will post the link separately. And yes, send me a question and I will look at your Facebook Live presence. So thank you so much for watching. It was Inga, and wishing you a beautiful day ahead.